Welcome dear children, welcome to mathematics class 1, chapter addition we are doing. And today's topic of our class is more examples on addition by making group of tens. Remember students, you have learned adding two given numbers or two groups of numbers by making group of tens in the last class. Do you remember? Yes. So we are now going to see more examples based on the same thing. So today's topic is just again the revision of the topic which we have done in the last class. So more examples on addition by making group of tens. Let's start with it. So here you can see that addition, you already know addition is joining or combining one set of numbers to another set of numbers to get one whole group. This is what is addition's definition. We have learnt in the last class that combining or joining the two groups together and then counting them as a whole or telling them that now it's a whole of these many numbers. That is what is addition. So you can see here, you can see in the picture that you have 5 flowers. There is a flower vase where you have 5 flowers with you and 2 more flowers are added to that vase that now will make 7 flowers in the vase. Isn't it so? Okay, and one more example is there on the slide page. There are 4 birds on a tree and 2 more birds fly and came to the tree, same tree, and now how many are there on the tree? There are 6 birds. 4 plus 2 gives us 6 as the answer of the addition. Okay. So here we have written the terms which are used in the addition are, see you have two numbers given, two or more numbers also can be there, but right now we are doing it with two numbers only. So here you have 8 plus 3 and you already have seen that 8 plus 3 is equal to 11 and 8 and 3 both numbers are called as addend. Addend are the numbers which we are adding, they are termed as addend, and the answer of the addition which we are getting, that we term as sum or the total. So numbers which are getting added are called addend and answer of the addition is called sum or total. So here you can see addition by making group of 10. We have come to our topic. This is our topic of today's class also, addition by making group of 10s. So example 1. Here you can see there are 5 cubes plus 8 more cubes are added. And what we do here, we make a group of 10 that you can see by the red line being formed for 10 cubes. 5 we have taken from the first group and 5 more we have taken from the second group, and after that whichever is not there in the under that red line, those are the loose ones. Here you can see 3 loose cubes are being left with you. So you have 5 plus 8 is group of 10 will be made. First of all, here by making group of 10 we get 1 10 and 3 ones. So the answer to this problem is 13. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13 is the answer of this addition. Okay. Here you have one more example. Here there are 3 cubes on the left side and 9 more cubes on the right side. You have to add the two groups. Again you are going to make a group of 10, and so 3 are already there in our first group and 7 more we are going to take from the second group, and loose ones are 2 cubes are left as the loose ones. So 3 plus 9 group of 10 will be made. Here by making group of 10 we get 1 10 and 2 ones. So the answer to this problem is 12. 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. So let's take one more example. Here example 3 is 8 plus 6. You can see in the first picture there are 8 red dots and in the second picture there are 6 yellow dots. You have to add both of them and you'll have to get the answer as a whole. So you have to first of all make the group of 10. You can see in the first picture and the second picture also there are 10 boxes been made. So here you have 8. So there are 2 blank boxes that will be filled by yellow dots when we will make a group of 10. So what it will become? It becomes as 2 yellow dots has come to this red dot box, and here complete 110 is being formed, and here in the second yellow dot box there are 4 dots left. Can you see these 2 have moved out of these 6 yellow dots? These 2 yellow dots move to the red dots box, and 110 has been formed, and 4 ones are left over here in the yellow dots box, and it is what? It is 14. 110 and 4 ones is being formed, and 8 plus 6 is 1 and 4 you will take from ones. 1 4 14 it will become. So answer of this addition is 14. Okay students. So you have to do a question now. Do the question in your notebook. You take your time, take out your notebook, take up your pencils and eraser, and note the question in your notebook. Add the following by making group of 10. Here you can see there are 9 red dots and 7 yellow dots. 9 plus 7 is equal to what? That you have to find out. How you are going to find? You will have to make a group of 10 first and keep the loose ones, and then count write the number by looking at the 10 and 1s. Okay, take your time, do it neatly in your notebook, and then move to the next slide where you are going to get answers. So are you ready with your answers? Yes. So let's check your answer. You were given this question 9 plus 7, and you can see that here in the red dot box there is one place vacant, and this one place will be filled by this yellow dot from the second group. And the picture again we have copied the same picture, and now we will perform. That means we are going to move this yellow dot from the second group to the first group like this. See, one we have erased, and one will be, that yellow will be moved in red dots group, and now this complete 110 is being formed over here, and you are left with 6 yellow dots over here. So what we can see, 110 and 6 ones. We have got 110 and 6 ones. 10 plus 6. 110 is there and 6 ones are there. So that gives us 16 as the answer. 110 plus 6 ones is equal to 16 as the answer. Okay, have you got your answers right? Yes? Very good. Again, you have one more question. You will have to do it in your notebook. Do the question in your notebook. Add the following by making group of 10. Here again you are given up with 2 groups of dots. Here in the first group you have 8 black dots and 4 red dots. So you have to add the 2 groups. 8 plus 4 you have to do. And how you are going to do? You will be moving the dots from the second group to the first group to make a 110 in the first group, and then count the loose ones, and then in this way you are going to get the answer of this addition. Okay students, take your time, do it in neat and clean handwriting in your notebook, and then you only move to the next slide where you are going to get the answer of this addition. Okay. So let's check your answers. Here I have copied the same image again, and how it will be done. 2 red dots will be moving from the second group to the first group. 2 will be erased from here, and 2 will go to first group. 2 red dots are there, and this 110 is been formed over here, and 2 loose ones are left with us in the second group. So what we have got? We have got 110 and 2 ones over here. 110 plus 2 ones is equal to 12. So 12 is our answer. Okay. So one more question for you. Add by making group of tens. You have to do the question in your notebook. And you can see in the picture that there is a group of blue cubes and red cubes. And there are 6 cubes in the first group and 5 cubes in the second group. And what you have to do, you have to add the two group of the cubes. And how you have to do the addition? You have to make a group of 10 first, and then you will have to count the loose ones. And in that way, you can find out the answer of the addition. So again, you will note down the question in a very neat and clean handwriting in your notebook. Use a sharp pencil and eraser. Take up your eraser. If you do any mistake, you can correct it by erasing that, and keep your answers ready. Take your time, complete it, and then only move to the next slide, where what you are going to get? You are going to get the answer of this addition. Okay? So now it's the time to check your answers. Are you ready with your answers? Yes? So let's check them. Here the question was, there were 6 cubes in the first group and 5 cubes in the second group. So that means you were supposed to do 6 plus 5, and 6 plus 5 is equal to how, and you were supposed to do the addition by making group of 10 first. Okay, so here you are having 6 cubes and 5 cubes with you, and here for making it 10, 4 cubes you will have to shift from the second group to the first group. So 4 will be removed from here, and 4 will fill the vacant space in the first group, and you are left with 1 cube in the second group. So what have you got? You have got 110 and 1 1. And this is what? This is 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. What have you got? 110 and 1 1. And 110 and 1 1 is what? It is 11 only. Okay, students? You got your answers right? Yes? So you have learned, and in the previous class also we have studied this addition by making group of tens, and in this class also we have revised the same concept. So now I hope you all are well versed with the concept of addition by making group of tens. Now you all are able to do any question if given, and you are being asked to do the addition by making group of tens. You are able to do it very easily, isn't it so, students? Wasn't it very easy? Yes? Okay. Keep doing the questions. Keep enjoying. So this was all for the today's class. We have done addition by making group of tens, and in the next class we are going to take another topic. We will be learning addition only, but by a different method. We are going to add the things given in the two groups, or the two numbers given to us. We will add them in a different way. We have learned one way of adding the given numbers, that is by making group of tens. So thank you very much. See you soon in the next class.